Hey guys, and welcome to today's vlog. I literally just got some new parcels. So we ordered a bunch of stuff to help with the humidity because as of now Japan is in rainy season and the summer is basically here. The humidity levels are so high. We just got these guys and we changed them up maybe like once a month, and then the next thing we got is same thing, but this we just pop around like little corners of our house. It goes from being dry like this to becoming like this. Like this next parcel, I am so excited for it. Ta-da! This is so cool. We have a new vlog camera, but it is the new vlogging camera that everyone has been raving about, and I am so happy that we have this. Ooh, so first things first is we get a shooting grip with wireless remote. This is so exciting. Oh, that's so cool. Look at that. It becomes a little mini tripod. So you can zoom in, zoom out, photo, movie. So this is just another spare battery that comes with it. Oh my god, it is so cool. So I've changed my outfit. I'm wearing this jumpsuit that is from H&M and accessories, and I've just got my hair in a bun because it is super windy outside and rainy. We're gonna go get some sushi. It has been a while since we have eaten sushi and I'm craving it, and I really like this restaurant. I went once and it was really good. So the fresh one, the short. Ready? I really want to get this next time. Socks. Actually, for socks, it would be like a tall one, you know? Something like this for socks. But this, you know where we have the medicine and everything? It's breaking. So I think eventually, we don't have to get it now. Eventually though, I do want to get like these kind of boxes. I think it will look really oshare. You sure? So earlier I got some wrapping paper so that I can wrap Choco-chan's present that Mary and I bought in a previous vlog. We ended up going for a bath thing and a cute little lamp. So let's wrap it. I'm done with wrapping up Choco-chan's present, and right now Ami just went to the dentist, so I'm gonna carry on watching a masterclass I was doing early this morning. Today I am studying the interior design one because I really love interior design, and I really want to understand more about it. You know, I really want to make my home better, and also just because it's another form of art. Welcome to my floor again. We just got delivered a few more parcels. First things first we got is this stevia, and the last time I bought this one, I bought it in March and it just finished, like early March, and it just finished, so it lasted me 4 months, this whole pack, which is like 1 kilo. This one, oh, the battery charger for the camera, which is really good because I'm still charging it. So I found out that the Sony camera or Sony products, they don't like to be charged if it's not the cable that comes with it. Awesome! This is so cool. This is so cool. I just want to say, like, I mean, I know maybe he doesn't even watch this, but I just want to say like a big shout out to like Ami's dad. He's actually the one that gifted us the camera and everything, so it's just really, I'm really grateful, so thank you. I'm really excited. Okay guys, this is the first official shot shot on the Sony. Ine. I think it looks good. I can only tell when I edit it. I've changed my outfit again. It's my third outfit of the day. Because the sun came out, so I had to come out and take some photos. Konnichiwa. それだけ。こんにちは。今日から YouTuber になります。So I'm getting an ice cream. You know what? I might get Adzuki. Cream cheese macaron ice.
Are you gonna try that one?
Yeah, I want to try that one. But I really wanted to take a cute photo with the Adzuki because it's pink. My outfit's pink. So just took some shots. Maybe I like them, maybe I don't. Everything comes down to the editing process. This is the ice cream, by the way. This is Adzuki Beans ice cream, and Ami just got a soft serve. Guys, look at the sky. Look at this saturation is really good. So Ami just helped me take some photos for my Instagram, and recently I've been working really hard on my presets. Let me know what you think about this photo here. Well, now we're just gonna go for a nice little walk. This is such an interesting house. If you notice on the top left, there's like a outdoor shower. Even in low light, this is like really good. And I am in love with the color. I really like the color. I just put the screen protect glass sheet. That's Sony's one. And it's like the tiniest, of course, like the screen. But look at the size of the manual. I'm going to make us some dinner right now, and Ami and I just have our staple dinner, which is quinoa salad something. So I'm gonna go and make that. This is today's quinoa salad bowl. We have lettuce, quinoa, raw egg, tuna with some tartar sauce, and then we have tomato and a little bit of cream cheese. Hey guys, it's much later in the evening. It is actually 11. I just wanted to show you guys what I've been up to. This is a top that I have been kind of working on. It is reused from an old denim pants that I had. I wanted to just try make a denim crop top. I cut the pattern last week, and then this week I decided, well today I decided to just like put them together. This is just a nice hobby that I have that I absolutely love. Today we're just getting ready because we're about to go out. I'm just doing her hair and I'm wearing my new top. It's so cute. I think I should really change my bra. Oh well. But anyways, I'm just gonna time lapse this because I have like 15 minutes to get ready, so. Alright guys, this is kind of my look for today. I don't know, and then I did a really strong look, and I don't know, I kind of like it. And today I'm wearing like all silver accessories except for my nose ring, but that's the look. Yeah, maybe I'll shoot a little video of my look later or show you a photo. So I put my fringe down because it's annoying me, my hair out, and yeah, the rest of the night maybe I'll record the food, but if not, this might be the end of the vlog.